Today I am going to show you how to configure the data card. Okay, so if you want to configure the data card, you have to create the listener and TNS name, right? So on both sides you have to create the listener, and on both sides you have to create the TNS name. So here you have to create the listener. Okay, click on local and then listener. Give the listener name prod. Add address in the same. Name prod. Save this file. What is this? Okay, so prod the listener has been created, and here we are going to create the TNS name for that prod database. Okay, I am going to remove the previous listener and TNS. Okay, so here I am going to create the TNS name. host name is 192.168.50.46 and service name is broad. Next, now save this. Sorry. DNS ping to prod. It's on or not? Okay, so there is the IP address we have to give is 45, right? So go to the DNS name, change the IP address. IP address of that machine is 45. Okay, now here also we have to configure. Now this machine can communicate with this machine, right? Now we have to configure the listener in this machine also. At the time of failover, this machine also should communicate with this machine. So here also we need to create the listener. I'm going to create std by database. Your database name is std by sid std by. Now save this. Okay, so we need to configure the TNS name to connect with that machine. Okay, click on service name and service name to std by host name. We are connecting that machine. Service name is std by. Okay, now both machine can communicate with each other. Okay, so we have to transfer the password file and parameter file from this machine to this machine. And before that, we need to create the directory structure. So check the more free space. In disk 2 there is more free space. Okay, so I can use disk 2. So go to the disk 2 and make the directory std by my standby database unique name will be std by. So cd std by, create the directory structure. The spelling mistake, diag. Okay, so copy the password file and parameter file from this machine to this machine. So init prod.aura we are going to copy. One second. So scp init prod.aura 2168. I'm going to copy with the name init std by .aura. Now copy the password file aura pw prod aura pw std by. Now come here, init. Now open this parameter file init std by .aura, and we need to modify, we need to change the directory structure here. So wherever is the disk 1, change it to disk 2, and wherever is the prod, change it to the test. Sorry.
Subhash,
Yes.
Subhash,
Yes. Tell me.
Subhash. What is SCP command?
What is
SCP command. SCP.
std?
SCP. SCP. Just now you type now SCP command.
Where?
Here it says
Secure copy,
SCP.
secure copy, sir.
Copies.
Okay.
If you copying from one machine to another machine, you have to mention scp. Yes. Command to copy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So wherever the disk 1, change it to the disk 2. Yes. So disk 1 to disk 2. And wherever it is prod, change it to std by. Save this. and change the audit file destination. And diagnostic DS location is to STD. Now we have to give the database name will be the same. Database name will be the same, prod only. So these are the data guard parameter I'm going to add. So database name will be the same, DB unique name will be the different. Equal to std by. And you have to mention the log file name convert. And db file name convert, sorry, log file name convert. Here it will be the log. And db file name convert.
Hello, Subhash. Subhash.
Yes, tell me.
So you are converting here only log and DB file name.
Yes.
Okay.
Mute the audio. Hello? Oh,
Hello. Huh?
mute the audio.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Gosh, you are muted.
Yeah, I will explain you. Okay, so we have to add this parameter in this parameter file, database unique name, standby, log file name convert to convert the data files and log file name convert the log file, and db file name to convert the database file, log archive config. So for the you have to mention the data card configuration settings here. Okay, so prod and standby database is the part of the data card, right? You have to mention here, and log archive dash 2. So this is not necessary now. Till now this is not necessary. It's only at the time of failover. And a standby file management auto. So we have to make the standby file management is auto. If you change something on the primary database, if we are adding the data files. Okay. If we are adding the data files, same data file has to be applied from primary to standby. Here also it will be added. The data file, same data file will be added if you make the standby file management equal to auto. And fall client and fall server. Fall client, we have to mention the fall server. So at the time of archive log file gap, if there is some network delay, network issue from this machine to this machine, then the log file is not going to be shipped from this machine to this machine. So once the network issue is resolved, then fall client this whole server, it will request from the whole server for archive log file, and then whole server is to prod, then to prod this server will send the data to whole client. Whole client means to HTTP. Okay, so it's going to send us data archive log file. It's only to fill up the archive log file gap, log gap, whole client and whole server. Now save the settings. Here also we have to modify in the parameter file of the primary database. So open the parameter file. Okay, so I'm going to copy. So here at the time of failover or switchover, we have to mention the log file name convert at the time of switchover. So now it's not mandatory, but at the time of switchover from secondary to primary, it is required. So disk 2, disk 2, std log 2, disk 1, prod log. Here there is data, right? So here also there might be a mistake. Baby prod. Okay, here is right. And here log archive config will be the same, and log archive disk 2 means from here we are sending the log. We are how your this standby database will be consistent. How this standby database with the sync with the primary database by sending the log, by applying the log here. So first the log file has to be shipped, right? Log file or archive log file. So log file is getting shipped when, how you are going to ship using the network. So the log archive destination is this machine, and destination 2 is, you can add up to 31 destination log archive. So the second destination would be this one, this machine. Service equal to, we are connecting through the service to HTTP, right? And what is the log shipping method? We are sending the log file, not the archive log file. We are directly sending the log file from this machine to this machine. And you can see here we are sending the online log file. And when it will be valid, if this database is running with primary role. Okay, if this database is in primary database, then only this will valid. This parameter only will be valid if this database is running with primary role. So this database is obviously primary role, right? And database unique name is std and standby file management auto whole client. At the time of failover, switchover, here also we have to receive the log archive log file from this machine to this machine at the time of failover only. Now this is not at the time of failover it is required, and call server would be to prod. So this is a parameter you need to change on primary and standby machine.
Hello.
And here database unique name is prod only. Yes.
Sir, DB file name convert is disk 1 is there. Disk 2 is there, no?
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Disk two here. Disk two. Disk two std by log and disk two std by data. Disk one prod data. Yeah. And log archive two. Okay. Now save this file. We'll check once again the parameter file. DB name is prod. Okay. Here you have to mention that. Now save this file. Here also close this one. Now we are going to duplicate the database, right? So export Oracle SID equal to prod, create sp file from p file. Now startup log archive dash 2 contains. Okay, what is that issue? Log archive dash 2 repeated. Where is the repeated? Okay, we have to make the state enable. Log archive dash state should be enabled. So mention the log archive dest 1 equal to enable and where is the log archive dest 1. Log archive dest 1 2. is to service log archive dash to service equal to 2std by okay, so I have deleted that one and then add so modify the SP file accordingly. Okay, mention the log archive dest1 and destination 2. Destination 1 would be the local machine and destination 2 will be the this machine, and make the archive log destination 2 enabled. Okay, now we have started the database here. Now here also we need to modify. So here log archive dest1, you have to make it enable. The destination will be the dest2 std by arch. Okay, this is not required actually now. At the time of switch over, only this parameter is required. So I am going to comment this and then I will add. Now save this file. Export Oracle SID equal to std by SQL plus. Now startup no mount on parameter log archive dest2. We have commented this, right? Log archive dest2
You have top in top also.
we have one more where
Yeah, yeah. Go up, up, up. Third one. Yes.
okay, so comment this is not record, only then only one is record. So here we had to add archive dest1, sorry, not 2. 2 is not record now. Log archive dest1 non parameter dot startup, no more. Okay, now we can duplicate the target database from active database. I am going to do active database duplication. So connect with Arment target. Connect with the production database. Connect auxiliary sys Oracle to stdby. Connected with auxiliary database prod. Here it's not prod, right? stdby. Okay, so database name will be the same, but unique name will be the different, right? Okay, so here we'll check. DNS ping to stdby. Service name equal to stdby. But here is connecting prod.
ये लो पकड़ लो चल ये चलने वाला बन जाएगा तुम्हारा प्लेट
So here the service name it is showing prod. Let's not sit here. Stop. Let's check the status of this listener. Status stdby. Let's stop the stdby. Then start stdby. Okay, now DNS ping. Okay. Connect with the Arment target. Now connect auxiliary sys Oracle to stdby. Now duplicate target database for standby from active database. Okay, so we are duplicating this database for standby. we are able to duplicate the database for standby. Now exit, export. Okay, so this database will be there in the mount mode. Select open mode from $v database. Okay, so this database is in mount mode. Okay, once shut down the database, and start up the database in the no mount mode. Now alter database mount standby database. Fire this command. Alter database mount standby database. Now select open mode database row from $v database. So you can see here this is the physical standby, right? You can see the archive log. Archive log file is getting transferred from primary to standby. The same log file will be there here also. Export replace id equal to prod archive log list. You can see here the oldest log sequence 8. You can also see here oldest log sequence 8. Current log sequence 10. Here also current log sequence 10. So log file is getting transferred from primary to standby, right? So log file is getting transferred from primary to standby. So this database is synchronized with this database, but it's not getting applied. The log file is getting received, but it's not getting applied. So how to apply the log in this machine? You can check if it is applied or not. So we have $v archive list, so archived log. If the log file is applied or not, you can check it through the $v archive log. So select sequence number, applied from $v archived log. So you can see here 6, 7, 8, 9. All this log is not applied. We have received the log. We have received the log file from this machine to this machine, but still it's not applied. So how to apply this log file? If you want to apply, you have to fire this command: alter database recover managed standby database disconnect from session. If you fire this command, then at this time the log will be applied, and whatever it will apply automatically. From now onwards, it will apply automatically. You can see 6, 7, 8 has been applied, and 9 is going to be applied. Now switch the log file, alter system, switch log file, again switch the log file, again switch the log file, and check the archive log list. And here also you can check archive log list. You can see here also that it's changing, right? Because we have received the log. And you can see here it's getting applied automatically. Now they no need to apply manually. So here the log file is getting applied automatically, right? Only you have to fire this first time. This command you need to fire the first time: alter database recover manage standby database. So MRP process will apply the log automatically. User intervention is not required. Now if you want to check if the database, how to check if this database is in the managed recovery process. So select process status from v dollar managed standby. Database not again. Okay, select v dollar
The manage is spelling. Manage. MANAGED.
Okay, MAN. So you can see here MRP process. So select process status from v dollar managed standby. So you can see here MRP process is working, RFS process is idle, archival process is connected. MRP process is waiting for log to apply. So how to check if the manage recovery process is on or not? You can check save process status from $v manage standby. Okay, how to cancel the recovery process? Alter database recover managed standby database cancel. So recovery process will be cancelled. So log will not applied here. It will be received, but it's not going to apply. So MRP process you cannot see. There is no more MRP process, right? If you make it on, then only you can get the MRP process. So how to check if the database in the managed recovery mode? Using this view, we select process status from $v manage standby. Now alter database recover manage standby database, disconnect. Okay, you can also use this operating system command, grep mrp. You can also see this is working, right? Through operating system command also you can see if the mrp process is working or not, it's on or not. Okay, so this is the data card, and tomorrow I will show you switch over and failover, and how to change the mode, uh, maximum performance, maximum protection, how to configure. I will show you tomorrow. Okay, so we'll connect tomorrow. Bye everyone, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.